everybody's favorite day of the week. The day of the week when we ask ourselves, do these multiple things really work? Ooh, my earring is stuck in a hole. I'm pretty sure that's not supposed to happen. Thank you so much. The other night, I was scrolling on Instagram in the middle of the night, and I saw an Instagrammer, I think her name was Monica Rose MUA, test this freaking product out. Now, I've never seen this. I've never heard of this. So let me know in a comment down below how common this stuff is. It is hair building fibers. And I think that I was really enticed to try this product because of the way that I saw it demonstrated on Instagram. The girl whose account I told y'all about said that she pulls her hair up in ponytails all the time. And I never knew that this is a thing that could happen. But I guess if you pull your hair up too much, you get a little like JoJo Siwa. I've started to observe over the last year and a half. I think I'm going a little bald, you guys. That's what really sold me about this product. You're supposed to just be able to spray it really easily, like in the front of your hair, to mask these sorts of situations. It's called TOPPIK, but I'm sure you guys know that already because I'm sure I put that in the title of the video. I ordered this on Amazon and I was actually shocked. They had all of these products available for like same day delivery. So you've got a bald spot and you're like going on a really hot date the same night, like you can be like, oh God, gotta order it right now. The thing that got me to click on this video, let me know if you're like this. The Instagram tutorial that I'm gonna watch, the IGTV video that I'm gonna click on, always uses a strange tool. And that's always what the thumbnail is. And I'm like, what is that thing? The thing that really got me to buy this product is this. And it's a piece of plastic. So it's like this tooth hair comb. This is what you use as like a spray guide so that you can kind of like give yourself a natural fiber. Let me see if I can zoom on up in my hair. Ooh, see what I'm saying? So like you wouldn't just get like a straight line or whatever after you spray this in your hair. Hi. Then the other thing that you buy is the actual hair building fibers. Now they had this in a bunch of different colors. There are a couple of different ways you can apply this. Oh my God. I feel like now is a good time to stop because let me tell you what this product contains, okay? The word fibers. There is nothing which just freaks me out more than like fibers near my body. I frankly don't know why I'm doing this product. Like I was just so impressed by the results I saw on Instagram that I was like, we're gonna do it. We're gonna tell the good people at home if it works or not. I got the shade medium blonde because I felt like that was like maybe a good fit for my hair. What shade is my hair right now? It's like black, brown, blonde, strawberry blonde, highlighted blonde, and I'm sure if we dig deep enough, a little gray, plus baldness. I've got it all. TOPPIK is made of all natural colored keratin product. Keratin. Isn't that like shells and beaks? Ugh, I don't want to think about that. TOPPIK fibers blend undetectably with your existing hair, instantly making it look full and thick. Directions are you just like shake liberally into thinning areas. And I knew that I would not want to test this product if I had to shake it in my hair because they actually make a dry shampoo that's like this. I call it like the fish flake dry shampoo. And I actually hate that. So I'm just literally on my channel today testing products that I'm curious about, but also I hate. And then the last thing is kind of like what truly sold me on this experience because like I just said, I hate the shake on products, but they have an optional spray applicator. So this is a little pump. You can just squirt that bad boy right on your head. I recently learned that there's like a baby snot sucker. This looks like that. Since safety is like at least our number 2, number 3 priority on this channel. Since I'm gonna be spraying fibers, I don't want them to go inside of my eye holes. You guys, that happened to me a couple years ago with a fiber mascara. I got a freaking fiber stuck in my eye and I had to go to the optometrist and have it extracted. Traumatized ever since. Scientists, how do you do it? As if there's any scientists watching this channel right now. But these glasses, hot instantly. It's like a sauna for my eyeballs. Like steam will have formed by the end of this video. So this is what the product looks like when it arrived to me. I act like as if I'm aggressively just gonna smash it and that's gonna be better. Twist and pull off sifter. Thank God. I was like, do I have to stop this video? Okay, twist, pull off sifter. Oh my God. Every time I pick it up, there's a new layer of hairy surprise. So let's get an up close looky-loo at what it looks like over here. I literally have no idea why my hair seems to be like thinning more on this side than this side, but just listen to that. Okay, I'm making like skull contact there. It sounds the same on the other side. This is my scientific research. Ew. Is anything happening? What happened? I need a mirror. That just deposited a bunch of... Okay. Ew! Oh! No, mon ami. Flaky powder. It does like thicken up. Like I felt like this thing is kind of useless. Like, cause it went all over my forehead. Do you guys see that? But I sprayed a lot. I feel like I need to hit a little more. I don't think I'm gonna use this guide, you guys. I think like this is kind of goofy. It was not that expensive. It was only like $4 to $5, but I feel like it kind of blocks off your vision. Okay, now I'm gonna just fluff it up a little because that's what you're supposed to do with the dry shampoo stuff. So let's get an up close view with the fibers added. What do you guys think? Does it make a distinguishable difference? I'm gonna try and take this off. Oh God, dude, this stuff does go absolutely everywhere. Look at that. Just thick, dusty fibers all over my fingers. It looks like I have little hairy fingers. And it definitely feels very similar to the dry shampoo that I said I didn't like before because it does leave like a residue on your scalp. I mean, so does dry shampoo, but I don't know, something about this stuff just feels thicker. Now, I will say I like the color of it. It's almost like putting a colored eyeshadow in your hair. Like, I don't know if any of you guys wear wigs, but like when I wear like a green wig or something, for instance, and I don't want to wear a hat with it, I literally just go in with eyeshadow and like make it match the wig. That is sort of like a similar feeling as well that I'm having. Like, it feels like you applied makeup or eyeshadow or some form of like thick powder in your hair. God, it is kind of crazy though, because I feel like it kind of made a difference. Like, I feel like the spot right there is less noticeable. The only thing I will say, like a couple of things, right? Oh, you know what? Let me try and seal it with hairspray. Now, they were selling like a special TOPPIK hairspray, but I'm like, hairspray is hairspray. I'm gonna show you guys like what my one little critique was before I put on a setting spray, because maybe it will really make a difference. A couple of things I've noticed, but you'd have to be like really close to somebody. You can see like a little bit of buildup on the scalp, which hopefully you guys can see. There is like powder, like colored eyeshadow powder in my hair on this side versus like obviously this side, you just see the hair coming out of my scalp. My only other critique for right now is like if you do touch your hair, oh my God, like I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see, but there is tiny little fibers like falling out everywhere, and I'm not sure that the camera is picking up on this, but like in real life, if I go like this, which once again, how much are you touching your hair during the day or not? Like, I have the tendency to touch my hair a lot, so this would be like a point of contention for me. I feel like the girl from The Breakfast Club right now, where she like just shakes her dandruff out of her hair and she makes like a beautiful little snowscape on her drawing. It sort of can give the appearance of like you maybe have some dandruff. So let me see if I seal it in. I need one of those masks, like one of those hairspray masks. God, I'm having like dance recital flashbacks all over again. I'm gonna let this dry for a second and then see if like I can notice less fallout. I will clean off my magical pig mirror and then we'll see if I shake my head and if there's any residue on here. I know it's just like psychosomatic, I don't know, an anxiety thing, but I literally feel like I have shit in my eyes right now and it's disturbing. Now it's just a video of Graveyard Girl scratching her dandruff. Once again, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see these tiny itty bitty little particles or not. I would have to say there's probably just as many fibers falling out after the hairspray as there were before the hairspray. I am kind of on the fence about this product, you guys. Like, I've been sitting here for 30 minutes because my camera, of course, it overheated. I will say, like, this product does make me feel like the slightest little bit of itchiness. I don't know why these sprinkle on products like this and the sprinkle on dry shampoo, the couple of times I've tried it, it just does kind of give me a slight itchy feeling in my scalp. I don't know why. Regular dry shampoo is not like that for me. And I've tried like a million different brands of dry shampoo, but this only happens to me with the fish flake shaken kind. Why? I don't notice any of it like getting on my shirt or anything. Now, granted, this is blonde. I'm not sure if that might be a little bit different if you have, you know, darker shades of hair. I do feel like I got a good color, it matches. I feel like it does mask like the skin that's there. I can see a difference, but I can see this being like a big game changer if that is like a point of insecurity or something. You know, it's like any kind of makeup or concealer. Like, some people want to wear a lot of concealer, some people want to wear no concealer at all. And whatever choice you make, like, I think that that should be a personal choice. It's basically like hair concealer, and I think it does a good job for that. Oh, now my head just feels itchy. Also, I haven't washed my hair for like 5 days, so there's that. I was waiting for like when I knew I had to wash my hair to spray a bunch of fibers in it. So yeah, I think it's just a lot of like personal preference. I don't know if I'm gonna end up using it again because fibers disturb me. Oh my God, should this video be a terrifying or try it now? I feel like I missed a golden opportunity. I am really looking forward to passing it off to you guys, posing the question to y'all. Would y'all use this or not? Like, do you think it's kind of a little bit more on the gimmicky side? Like, I feel like hair loss products are like way up at the top of like infomercially kind of as seen on TV things that they've been selling forever. Do you guys think that this is like better than that, or it's like a little gimmicky, or somewhere in the middle? Are you gonna use it? Are you gonna try it? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator twangs. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all again very, very soon. Bye!